Hey, Happy New Year. January 1st, 2026. And what do we got before us besides this cardboard box? Well, I haven't touched much on this car. It's probably been quite some time, but I ended up getting a skid plate from Primitive Racing, or it looks like Primitive Enterprises is the other name of it. This was because I had an incident with my VA STI while doing a Sunday drive in Hoquiam, Washington, where, well, let's just say that the aerodynamics splitter on the front of my car is no longer on my car. Hit one of those manholes covers. It was attached to the street, and it was exactly where it was supposed to, but I don't know if through time the asphalt around it kind of sunk, and it left this manhole assembly stick a little bit too far out of the ground. So I wasn't doing anything funky, anything fast. It just hit it, and boom, it was gone. So that got me thinking, I need to get something for my oil pan. I've been wanting to get this for quite some time, and that little wake-up call got me immediately online, and I bought this thing. So, but this video is to address what is in the box. Well, let's take a look. Let me get my knife out here. And today we are just a one-man operation, so bear with me here. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can get my knife out. All right, we're just going with this jobby. That's all I could find. I haven't even looked at this yet, so first impressions, you're gonna have it with me. So hopefully we just do this all in one cut. Okay. No, good. They stapled the box shut too. I've had nothing but positive experiences with this company. They're based out of just south of me in Portland. So, all right, well, you know what? Before we even get into this, let me go over the specs of what I got. Okay, so I ended up getting the skid plate package. I actually ordered this on December 29th, which was a Monday, and this order showed up the very next day on Tuesday via FedEx. I mean, quite literally, it was just like a one-day turnaround before I had it on my porch. So I don't know if it's because regionally I'm just not too far from Portland, but I just love it. So I was just gonna get the skid plate just for the front, but I decided if I'm doing this, I might as well go all the way. So I ended up getting the package. So what does the package include? Well, it includes the front skid plate and the rear differential skid plate, which can also be used as a jack point in the back of the car. And I'm sure, I haven't really looked into it, but it looks like the skid plate in the front can also be used as a jack point. So we're just going to look into that. Because I was going with protection, I ended up getting the Stinger tail on the front skid plate. So we also have that installed as well on this. So let us go ahead and get this out of the box if we can. So as you can see, it's packaged quite nicely. This right here is covering part of the Stinger tail that you see right here. And yes, I ended up going with the thicker 3/16 inch over the thinner 1/8 of an inch. And I think I might be able to muscle this thing out by hand. Right. Perfect. Okay. There is the Stinger. The Stinger portion is that right there. And what that is just more protection. So 3/16 thick plate, 3/16 inch Stinger. And if you notice with this product, it angles up. The reason being is if you drive over rocks or whatever organic material or inorganic material that's on the ground, if you have to back up, this is not going to hook onto that said foreign object and you're going to drag it along. It's going to help to clear that. And that's what I like about this design of these plates. I was looking at a product called TBW. I didn't like it from what I saw in the pictures. And here's an example. You have all these little sharp edges. I mean, that's just calling for you to get hooked on something with that front end right there. And I didn't care for that too much. And plus it's a, right here's a 2-piece, and they have 2 little extra flimsy looking wings that go on the back plate here, which didn't look good to me. And then you have the nice bit of racing where it's just all rounded. So less chances of actually getting caught up on anything. And this actually tucks up, I believe, underneath the radiator support. So that's not going to get in the way of anything. So, all right. What else did we get? Oh, this must be the rear. Let's get this open. Again, packaged nicely. I'm gonna spill the contents all over. Let's do it the secret way here. Okay, this is what you get. Here's the bracketry. And what I really like is on the back, they have everything's recessed. So nothing's going to hook onto rocks or logs or whatever it is that you might encounter on the road. And the hardware as well, recessed. So anyways, if you get the 2015 to 2021 skid plate from Primitive, this is exactly what you're going to get. Now, if you do end up buying the package, there's like a 5% savings. And if you're current active duty military or a veteran like myself, you just send in your credentials to Primitive Racing. They'll give you another 5% off. It's not much, but you know, it helps in the long run. And shipping really wasn't too bad on this. I ended up paying only like $40 for it. I hemmed and hawed about maybe driving down and picking it up, but time spent on the road, which would be about 2 hours and 20 minutes each way. It's just my time was more valuable than that, and plus, I really don't like going to Portland myself. So, as far as front plate goes, this is the thickest version you can get, which is the 3/16. You can get the 1/8 inch, and it is a bit cheaper by about 50, almost $60. But I wanted that extra protection because why? Because doggone it, we're buying a skid plate. We want the best protection we can get. I'm not going to get a skid plate and buy the thinnest thing that I can find, so I didn't want to go that route. Also, because I got the Stinger, having the pre-drilled oil hole was not an option, but I think I'm going to try to find a way to maybe get around that. I don't know. I mean, it's not heavy enough to where it's going to be cumbersome to take it on and off whenever I need to, so that's not even going to be an issue. Also, not to harp on TBW, another thing I did not like is, I like the convenience of having these little oil doors, but look at that. See how it's hanging down below the level of the skid plate? I mean, that's just asking to get hooked onto something. And again, I did not like that little ridge right there where something could impact that. So, and if you buy the really thin aluminum one, you know, you're more likely you're gonna have issues, but they do have that thicker option that I saw. But if you think about strength and integrity, 1 piece versus 2 to 4 pieces, I'm going with this every day of the week and twice on Sunday. So, oh, I forgot to mention, I don't need it, but just in case down the future, you can get these extensions put on there for aftermarket headers. I don't plan on doing that, but might as well get this now. And you know, I can always grind that down if I need to, if it does sit down too low. But I don't plan on doing a whole lot to the motor on my V8 chassis STI at this point. So, but I want to be open to options down the road, so that's why I went with this. So, all right, well, I hope this helps somebody out. Oh wait, let's spin let me flip this thing around so you guys can see what the front looks like. All right, so this will be pointed toward the front of the car. And nice decal. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, well, hopefully this helps you out. I just want to show you what you get in the box when you order a skid plate package from Primitive Racing for your 2015 to 2021 STI, otherwise known as the VA STI. All right, WCU Cougar X out.